Hi everyone, it's So Good Again. I'm Richard. I'm all by myself today. Abby's at school. Today we're going to make a really quick, simple dish for either Thanksgiving or Christmas. I call it holiday green beans. It is absolutely delicious. One of the reasons I chose to film this by myself without Abby is because she doesn't really like it, but I think this is awesome. Our family thinks it's really awesome. And we've been making this for probably like 20 years now. So I'm just gonna make this really quick. I'm gonna walk you through it, tell you what we have, and then we're gonna start cooking. So we have 2 pounds of green beans. I trimmed all the ends off and I cut them into about inch and a half pieces. About 1.5 large yellow onions cut up into small squares. I have a 1/2 pound of thick cut bacon here that I cut up into small pieces as well. And we have about a whole head of garlic cut into slivers. You don't have to use this much garlic, but I'm crazy when it comes to garlic. And then a cup of slivered almonds. You can buy these in the bulk area, or you can get them in bags too, I guess. And we're gonna do olive oil to taste, salt to taste, and pepper to taste. So I'm gonna get this all set up and we're gonna bang all this out. I'm using a large pan. I have it on medium heat. I've been preheating it for about 4 minutes now. I'm gonna add the 1/2 pound of bacon. Get that kind of sizzling a little bit. Bacon is going. Now I'm gonna add my garlic. Oh, it smells so good. And the onions. And I'm going to stir this around with the bacon for a while until the onions and the garlic become sort of translucent. And then we'll add the green beans, the olive oil, and the salt and pepper to taste. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add just a little bit of water. And what that'll do is it'll create a nice sizzle and add some more browning to them. And I'm just putting like just a smidge of water in there. Just enough to make that sound, basically. I'm going to keep cooking this until all that water's burned off. And I pretty much have it almost on high heat. So now I'm going to add the green beans. No real measurements for the olive oil, just however much you deem necessary. Salt to taste. I kind of have a medley of pepper here. Green beans are just about ready. I'm waiting for them to get a little bit more tender. This is turning out really good. This is an easy dish to cook. Stir those in. I would say probably the hardest part about cooking this dish is keeping everything in the pan, to be honest. Look at that. I don't know if you can see the heat coming off of them, but they just came out of the pan. They're in the casserole dish. They look delicious. I can't wait to try these. And wow, I'm super excited that I'm making this a little bit early for Thanksgiving, that I get to eat it twice this year. I have my fork and I'm ready to dig in, but before I do, I want to say a couple things. This dish, if you don't like green beans, would be fantastic with asparagus or Brussels sprouts. We've done it all 3 of those ways and it turns out excellent. So let's see what we got here. This is really hot too. This dish will please your friends and family. It'll be a winner. It's easy to make. And all I have to say is that is so good. Thank you for watching. We're going to try to bring you as many of these short videos as we can during the holiday season, so we have a lot to share with you guys. Our goal for our next video is to do baked cocktail ryes. They're super delicious. They make a great hors d'oeuvre for Thanksgiving or Christmas. We're gonna do some desserts, side dishes, stuffings, anything we can think of that we really enjoy during the holiday season that we want to share with you guys. Thanks for watching and happy Thanksgiving.